Hello Driving Intelligence community. Well, this is going to be a quick one and I hope I get more than 10 views. Some time ago I damaged the grill on this thing and you can see it's missing. I hit it with my garage door, surprisingly enough, and I decided to go to the junkyard and get another one, and I did a plastic coat on it, just a metallic blue. Thought I'd try something different to see how that looks. So this video is going to be installing this on that grill. Extremely easy to do this. You got to start off by taking off your jack. Actually, this is the rod that goes to your spare tire in the back, and I think you also use it the jack, I don't recall. Anyway, you got to take all the push pins off, take this upper shield out, and then you have direct access to this area from behind. All I need is my push pin tool, and I'll link that below, and a Phillips head, and I can get all these push pins out and remove this piece. Top trim plastic is removed, and if you look right behind here, you can see where it mounts. It's super easy. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt that back on, and in the meantime I'm also going to clean up this as much as I can because I can't stand this filth on my vehicle even when you can't see it underneath the plastics. Installed and cleaned up. Did a little washing. Everything's back together. And that's it for another Driving Intelligence video.